Hey Crafty fam, it's Alex Vanover, and it is the week of Thanksgiving 2020, which means that tons of Black Friday deals are on the way that I think you crafters are gonna be obsessed with. I don't know about you guys, but I love saving money on all things crafting, and so in this video and on my website, I'm gonna be summarizing some of my favorite Black Friday deals that are coming your way. So let me tell you about them, but if you wanna find out more details, you can go to my website at DIYAlex.com/Black Friday. That's where I'm gonna be summarizing and updating everything through the whole week of Thanksgiving and Black Friday. So make sure you go check that post out so that you can get the latest up-to-date information. But anyway, let's jump into it. So starting this Wednesday, November 25th, the first deal to come your way is the 143 Vinyl Black Friday sale. Y'all, you probably know that I work full-time for 143 Vinyl, so I'm a little bit biased, but y'all, I know a lot about this sale because I planned it, and I'm telling you it is a good one and you are not gonna want to miss it. So the deals start at 8 a.m. Eastern time this Wednesday on November 25th, and that includes a sale on different things on the site, as well as doorbusters every 2 hours from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. So there's gonna be tons of amazing deals, and those sales also last through Sunday. So the site sale is going Wednesday through Sunday, but the doorbusters are only the day of Wednesday. So make sure that you go check that out. You'll see me over on Facebook a whole bunch that day because I will be there answering questions and doing what I do. So make sure that you go check that out. And then starting on Thursday, November 26th, which is also Thanksgiving, at 10 a.m., Creative Fabrica is starting their 90% off sale, y'all. In case you guys haven't heard me talk about Creative Fabrica, it is an amazing font and file website that has so many great deals. So make sure you go check those out at 10 a.m. on Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, because that is gonna be an amazing deal. And next on Wednesday night going into Thursday morning at 2 a.m. Eastern time, which is 11 p.m. Pacific time. So that would be 11 p.m. on Thursday if you're in Pacific time, or 2 a.m. on Friday if you're in Eastern time. Creative Fabrica is dropping two deals at once that are so good. The first one is the All Access promo, and personally, it's the one I'm the most excited about. That is where they're offering their All Access membership to those of you who do not have it already for $1 for the first month, and then $19 a month after that. Y'all, this membership is normally $29 a month most of the year. So to get it for $1 for the first month and then $19 a month is actually cheaper than you normally get it with my discount code. So that's an amazing deal. And the reason that I love this membership is because you pay one fee, which will be $19 a month after your first one, and then you can download all of the files and fonts that you want for that one all access price, which is an amazing deal because you can take advantage of as little or as much as you want to month, no matter what you need. And then also dropping at 2 a.m. Eastern time / 11 p.m. Pacific time on that Thursday night to Friday morning time frame is the super discount deals that Creative Fabrica is dropping. And that is where they're making a bunch of graphics and their fonts on sale for 50 cents a piece, which is insane. But the trick to that is that there are only 50 copies of each going out for each of these files. So you want to get to these as soon as you wake up on Friday morning. Make sure that you go check those out. And I'll have posts dropping on my Facebook page and everything when those go live, so you can always go check those out. But I highly encourage you to go take a look. And then Friday morning at 9 a.m., Design Bundles is beginning their ultimate $1 event. So I'm sure you guys have heard me talk about the $1 deal sale, where Design Bundles puts 30 of their fonts, files, and graphics on sale for $1, but only for 1 hour. This ultimate $1 deal event only comes around once a year, and you guys, it is epic, okay? So starting at 9 a.m. on Friday morning, which is the 27th, they're gonna have over 15,000 of their fonts, files, graphics, illustrations, all the things on sale for $1, and it's gonna go for days. But here's the catch on this one: there are only 500 general sale copies available. So if you're not a Plus member, then you want to get to that ASAP on Friday morning, okay? But if you're a Plus member, I believe you get to shop it for several days, and you can buy, you don't have to worry about how many copies are available. They are unlimited for you if you are a Plus member. So that is an epic bunch of deals coming out. And then those deals kind of wrap up The Creative Fabrica stuff wraps up through Monday the 30th. So for Creative Fabrica, you either have until Thursday and Friday to the following Monday, November 30th. And for the Ultimate $1 Deal event by Design Bundles, that goes from Friday the 27th all the way through December 3rd. But I'll tell you guys, I've done this event in the past and a lot of the really good stuff goes early. So you want to make sure to check that out really soon. And like I was telling you guys, the stuff for 143 vinyl, the sale goes from Wednesday all the way until Sunday morning at 10 a.m. Eastern time if you're in Eastern time. So you definitely want to go be checking that stuff out Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So on the other Black Friday front, I'll also be sharing some Amazon deals with you guys. You know, I love to share the good stuff that I find, so I'm sure I'll find more than just good deals on Amazon, but I'll be dropping that in my DIYAlex.com/Black Friday. So you'll want to keep checking out that page because I'll be refreshing and giving you guys updates based on the different things that I find. So I wanted to tell you guys something else before we wrap up this video. I want you guys to have full transparency with me always. And that is that most of the links that I'm going to be sharing with you for these things are affiliate links. And what that means is that the company pays me a small commission to advertise these sales to you, but it doesn't cost you anything extra to shop through these links. So if you shop through these links, you are making my small business dreams come true, and it helps me out so much, but it doesn't cost you an extra dime. So if you do choose to shop through these affiliate links, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys so much, but I always want you to know what I am doing. I don't want you to feel like I'm being a little bit shysty. So I do have a vested interest in these sales, but I also genuinely believe that these are great sales. You guys, I don't share things with you that I don't believe are worth it, and I definitely believe that these are worth it. I believe they can save you a lot of money, and they are all sales that I will be participating in myself. So don't feel like I'm sharing something with you that I wouldn't shop myself, okay? But if you have any questions, you can always send me a DM. You can comment below. And in fact, I want you to comment below what deal are you most excited about that I've shared with you in this video, or if you have other deals that you want me to pay attention to, let me know in the comments of the video as well, okay? I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys real soon.